Suppose we have a business in the worldwide. We have a like daily transactions will be there. Okay, that same raw data we have to present in the diagrammatical representation. Suppose if we have a data like this raw data keep on adding on daily basis, it will very difficult to understand the data. Like suppose 2002 only one transaction here, it is January. Suppose if we have a 100 transactions, it is very difficult to sum it here and take the decisions by the user. Okay, just a minute. Okay, someone is telling. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. My friends are joining. No problem. This just yeah, yesterday's topics only. I'm repeating it. Need not worry. Even we will share the recording as well. Okay. My good name. Okay. Someone asking my. Okay. See, it's 1 minute. Okay. Sorry. Sandhya is asking for them. Okay, see, these are the raw data transactions there. Okay, these transactions, based on this transaction for the users, it's very difficult to take the decision. Okay, instead of giving the raw data to the users, will same raw data will prepare in the diagrammatical representation. Here, like same raw data, we are making into the diagrammatical representation so that easily they can take the decisions. Okay, for that purpose, we are creating the reports. This is called as a report. Okay, in Excel we can create any type of reports, but Excel is not an automation one. It is a static report. To make it as a dynamic, we have to like continuous support required here. Suppose if we need tomorrow, if we're adding new data, we have to add it here, and I have to refresh that like all components. Even though they come up with the like VBI and the macros, it's not like a performance wise, it is very slow when compared with the advanced reporting tools. Okay, these are the like Power BI, QlikView, Tableau are the advanced reporting tools. Okay, the QlikView also one of reporting tool to generate the reports like the dashboards with the raw data. Raw data might be any source, either Oracle, SQL, Excel files. The batch files also will be there. Any okay. If with the raw data we are creating the dashboards, that will be the like automation. It is not a static one. Okay, this is the QlikView. QlikView on here. It will be the like sample dashboards will be there. Okay, you can download it from the Google. A direct link will be available. Okay, there are like these dashboards we have to design. It's very simple tool. Okay, converting the raw data into the diagrammatical representation is called the reporting. QlikView also one of the reporting tools. Okay, that's about the like what is QlikView. How Qlik was? The Qlik was based on the like data association. Okay, we can take the data from the any tool, like from the Excel we can take it. Yesterday we designed with the same raw data, we designed the one application. This is the application we designed it. Not saved, I think. The year month sale same we are connecting, we are getting the data. Front end we are creating the charts. Okay, file is moved to some other part. Okay, once again I am doing. We newly have to take it and we have to connect to the source file. File we have to select either source, or if it is a, like a SQL or RTL, we are going to connect with the ODBC. That's what we'll see later. Just for the sample, we are connecting with the Excel file. For the raw data, I'm connecting it. So automatically, there are different platforms will be there, different types of files we can connect. Automatically, QlikView it will take. Okay. QlikView itself, it will generate the script. We need not to write anything here. See, QlikView itself generated and meaningful that one. See, load under this column, whatever the from this so and so particular font. Reload it. The all fields will be available, and create the components, whatever the components you want, you choose that. You need not to worry about the options. It will be like just I am giving you the overview of the QlikView. Don't worry about the options, how I am selecting it. From the tomorrow, step by step, we'll discuss. Okay, we'll make the note. What is the steps we need to select? Just now, you need not to note anything. Don't worry about the options. Just observe what is happening, how we are creating the dashboard. So, what is the importance of the QlikView? You should know. That's it. There are simple functions, whatever we are using in the Excel, same functions in the QlikView also. When you see, like this, automatically the data will pick it up. Suppose tomorrow if we add any new additional data to this fund, okay, 2019 and any some sample data, automatically suppose tomorrow some 100 transactions will be there for our business, 100 transactions happen. Next day we need not to go here and we need not to maintain anything. Just you refresh it, 2019 automatically it will add here. Okay, this here this is the development we are triggering it. But in once it is moved into the production, support and supporting also not required. Once it's moved to the production, that is forever. There is no supporting required for that. This is the automation tool. So, okay. See like this, same the visualization we can create, whatever the visualization there, same visualization we can do create it here. This is the automation. There is no supporting required. If you do same thing in the Excel, suppose for the 10 dashboard, if you create, okay, one developer required for the maintenance for this. After creation of the 10 dashboard, they have to maintain continuously. For 10 more dashboard required, one more developer required for them. They have to hire the one more employee. Okay, continuously it will add to avoid that one, to reduce the number of employees, and to automate the tools. We are going for the QlikView. In QlikView is the automation tool. Automatically, it will refresh based on the scheduling time. Okay, that's about the QlikView. How QlikView works? Okay, QlikView works on the based on the data association. Okay, suppose if you select any field like year field, you can select 2015. The value is 1000, and December and Feb. If you want, we can present the values here by using the different options. Okay, 600 and 400 for the 2015. For the 2015, for December 5th, 600 and 400. 600 and 400. So this is auto linkage there between the field to field and component to component. That is why this is auto association. There is no other tool have this technology like data association. That's why it is the very power, like speed wise very high when compared with the Power BI and Tableau also. Data association only there in the QlikView. There is no other tools. It's worked on the based on the data association. And one more option is like it will RAM, it will store the data into the RAM. Once it's refreshed, it will store inside. Okay, if I do any selection, it is not going to pick up from the source. Automate from here only it will give. It's already stored. Once it's refreshed, that is the final all entire data it will store into the RAM. If I select any option from RAM only it will give. So it will the speed. For the speed, two options. One is RAM, one more is data association. There are few other tools also have a RAM. They will it will store into the RAM and it will give. But data association there in the only QlikView. That's how it clicks works. Compare with the other BI tools. Okay, now like if you see about 10-15 years back, mostly in the Excel reports there. Nowadays, no Excel reports. It's very less jobs there. Okay, because of its performance is low. Okay, and continuous support is required. If you go back to the 5 years, like SAP BO and Lumira will be there. Okay, because why nowadays again like Power BI, QlikView, Tableau, everyone referring. See, 5 years back, like SAP have a different tools for the different dashboard. In SAP itself, we have a different tools. We have to learn multiple tools to create the dashboard. But if you go to the QlikView, it's only single page. single tool, we can create any type of dashboard. See, these are the options. If we explore this option, here the, okay, here the objects will be there. You have to explore about the objects, and properties will be there. This is the component properties. This one we call as a components or sheet properties. This is entire sheet is a sheet properties we have to explore. One is component properties. Component means the object whatever we have. Object properties is different. Entire sheet we call as have a different properties. Sheet properties. If we have a multiple sheets like this, if we have a multiple sheet tabs, then we are going to give the document properties. Document properties. These are like options we have to remember. Few options when we are going to select which option. That's it. Okay, need not to by head anything. If you create that multiple dashboards, automatically you can remember that one. A very simple tool, anybody can design in the front end. This is the front end part. Here like edit script will be there. The scripting part also, we need not to write anything. QlikView itself, it will generate the script. We need to understand some functions. Okay, some here data model will be there, tables. How many tables there, how joining is forming. Few joins concept we require, and a few functions we have to use, like around like 10 to like 8 to 10 commands there. Only 8 to 10 you have to remember. That also simple commands we have, like it is a one line commands we have to remember. You need, okay, meaningful one. If you work on it, definitely you can remember. Like, okay, 20 functions will be there. 20 functions we have to use. The mostly like whatever the functions we are using in the Excel, same 20 functions. So front end, the designing part, it will take 20 classes, and the scripting part, we need to remember the functions and commands. Only 10 commands and 20 functions. That's it. The giant concept will be there. How to fetch the data? Okay, we are connecting to the source. Okay, we are from this source we are connecting, and we are automating the tool. The reports we are automating. This is the like QW, like main dashboard. The source will be there. This is the source. From the source we are connecting and getting the data and preparing the dashboard. This is the final dashboard will be there. Okay, how we are fetching this data? Well, to the we have to convert into the required format. We suppose we have a 10 years data there. We have to filter for the 5 years data. We have it for different regions we are supporting it. Okay, we need only particular region or particular city. So data restriction, how, what are the functions, where conditions, the conditions and functions we have to use. 20 functions will be there. Okay, if you learn that, it is very much easy. The scripting part also. Front end, anybody can design. Anyone just exploring of the like properties, that's more than enough. Okay, compare with the other BI tools. Okay, now mainly Power BI and W and the QlikView will be there. Okay, the comparison mainly with the speed. Speed will be the high. I already explained why it is the high, because of data association. Okay, we say auto linkage there. Okay, that is why automatically the performance will be the very good. High speed will be there. Okay, and ram also, it will store the values and it will give. That is why speed will be the high. And Power BI tableau is not that much. It's a bit slow when compared with the QlikView. Just I am comparing with the QlikView, but when compare with the like macros, Excel VBI and the SAP, it's really good. But when compare with the QlikView, it is just slower than QlikView speed. If this is the licensed one, the all the reporting tool. For suppose if you take base price as like $100 for the user in the QlikView, Power BI and Tableau, it will like half of this, and $80 for the Tableau. There are multiple jobs in the QlikView and Power BI also. If you consider as a 100 job, here it will be 80 there, here it will be 50 there. Why 100? See, it is a cost is very low for the Power BI, so most of the startup companies are preferring for the Power BI. But most of the established companies, they look about the speed. Okay, so they are going for the QlikView mainly. So 80, when compare with the Power BI jobs, it will be there 80, but Tableau will have a less, because Cost also higher than Power BI, and speed also it is lesser than QlikView. That's why less jobs will be there. We are the developers. For the developer point of view, see, user always check about the cost of speed. They don't check about the like developer how it, for development how it difficult. User always check about the either speed or cost. We are the developers. For us, the QlikView is very simple. Okay, Tableau also simple. Power BI is the complex one. Okay, we have to write so much of scripting for that complex one. For development, QlikView is very simple and speed also high. Okay, that's why there are many jobs there. Okay, regularly it's like previous batches, they are getting daily like 2-3 calls they're getting it. Okay, need not to worry about the jobs. Okay, that's about the comparison with the like a scope and jobs. The scope will be there because the QlikView already have a backup with the qliksence. Okay, feature will be the like nowadays full jobs on the QlikView, and feature they have a like come up with the supporting the qliksence, but Power BI and Tableau there is no feature. There is no feature in the sense there is no other backup tool. But if you know the QlikView, qliksence will be there like around 70% or same. See, scripting part whatever we are doing here as it is data modeling and scripting part whatever here it is there 100% same in the qliksence also. The front end options whatever we are exploring the components, the options will be just like little different, just we have to drag and drop. Here we are selecting it in qliksence, just we have to drag and drop. qliksence is easier than QlikView. If you know the QlikView, qliksence will be 70% already you know. Okay, there is no hiring also. If they are hiring for the qliksence, they will hire for the QlikView developers only. No one have a like a 3-4 years experience on the qliksence. The qliksence, whoever moving from the QlikView, whoever already using QlikView, they will move to the qliksence only. There is no other option because they already adjusted with the speed. If they move from the QlikView to any other BI tools, okay, speed will be very low. That's why definitely they will move from the QlikView to qliksence. So 100% scope will be there. Need not to worry. For 10 years, I am 100% guarantee for QlikView and qliksence will rule the reporting tools because this is the automation one. There are many opportunities there, job opportunities because of high speed. Most of the users are preferring this one. Okay, you can check in the Naukri also. Okay, this is the part yesterday I covered. Already I covered yesterday. We said that demo link also. If anyone missed, we can go through that one as well. Okay, today again we are discussing about like why we have to choose the QlikView. Okay, why we have to choose our institute. Okay, why we have to choose the QlikView? You know already. See, when always user looks about the speed or cost. Speed or cost. We are as developers. We are looking about the complexity. How complexity is the tool? How soon we can learn this one? Okay, if you go to the Power BI, it's very complex. The scripting part, the data transformation will be the very difficult. Okay, I agree. Tableau is the simple and QlikView also simple. But when compare with the speed user point of view, it is the slower than the QlikView. That's why when if you look about the both for the user point of view and developer point of view, QlikView is in the top priority. First option. Okay, it is a simple for the development. We are looking like how many days we can learn this one. Okay, nowadays getting job is easy. Okay, after getting job, how much we can perform, that is we have to look. Okay, see, after getting because of if you learn the Power BI, you will get the job. Okay, after getting job, it's little difficult. You are going with the experience. But QlikView, it is a simple tool. Even if you get job also, you can execute whatever we discuss. Same thing will be there in the real time also. Always the high speed there. Okay, so that's why we have to prefer the QlikView first point. And next one is the the QlikView have a special feature, have a data association. Okay, the without linking the field to field or component to components, it's auto linkage there, auto association. That is why it is the high speed there. There is no other tool have this option. Okay, that is the main advantage of the QlikView. Speed will be there. And one more point is, whenever you are learning some tool, you have to look about the feature, how it will be. Okay, if you learn the one course, Like after 1 year, if it will be not there in the market, then again you have to learn for the one more tool. It's very difficult. That's why feature we have to look. Already told, the QlikView have a backup of qliksence. They already come up with the new features. Okay, suppose here they wanna select few options. These are the sample dashboards. Go through this one by one. Any dashboard, take it this one. Okay. Okay, we can select any filters. Any filters like quarter wise. If we select entire dashboard, will change the values. Okay, entire dashboard it will change. Here we have to select one by one. So and so quarter, so and so year, or so and so category or area wise, particular region or particular country. So keep on we are selecting the filters. Not only QlikView, any other like Power BI, Tableau also we have to select the filters like this. The qliksence have a come up with the speaker. You can on the speaker and you can speak like how Google speaker working. Okay, you can on that one and you can say whatever you need. So and so country, so and so city, what is the sales. If you start like you can say automatically it will give the output. Okay, geographical map also, map wise also there are many features there in the qliksence. The tool will be the same, almost like development and scripting part will be the same, but there are many features. That's why even the feature also there for the, if you know the QlikView, qliksence 70% will be covered. So feature will be the qliksence. So for next to 10 years need not to look about the any other tools. QlikView and qliksence will be there. That is the main advantage of the QlikView. That's why we are going for the QlikView. Other tools, see other tools, it will be very complex. After getting job, it is very difficult. And there next, like I can say, like next to 3-4 years will be there. After that, we don't have a backup for these tools. For QlikView, have a qliksence. And next one is why we have to choose our institute. Okay, our institute is like anybody can design. We are tied with the V Square Technologies as well. Why we have to choose our institutes? See, nowadays getting job is very easy because someone will teach you in the online. Okay, you will go to them and they will give the proxy for you. You will get the job. After getting job, nobody will no many people are not supporting it. Okay, you have to execute yourself. For everyone, it's not a simple, like at least for 3 months it will be like we are not going with the fresher, right? We are going with the experience. So company also will expect the same. Like suppose you are keeping the 4 years of your experience, same thing they will expect from you. So it's very difficult to design first 1 to 3 months. Okay, once you adjust with the for the one tool any 3 months if you work, it will be the easy. Okay, first 3 months it's very difficult. Okay, see our institute there in the Martali, we will be available on the weekdays from morning 11 to night 11. Okay, 100% placement will be there. Okay, few people themselves they won, they're getting the cracking the interviews. If you are unable to crack, we will be there to give the proxy. Okay, we will do the interview on behalf of you. Okay, we will clear the interview. Dilip, please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, we will 100% job guarantee from our institute, because if you not clear also no problem, we will do the proxy on behalf of you. For girls also it is available, need not to worry. After getting job also we will be supporting you. You can come anytime to them our institute, and whoever got the job, if you are already working here, okay, you can sit with them and you can learn. Okay, that is why you have, okay, our institute will be there not only up to getting the job, after getting job also we will support you. Next one is like we are the developers, what we have to do on daily basis. Okay, we discussed about the QlikView. Okay, what is our role? Our role is just we have to design the reports. Okay, see, every business have a data source. They are maintaining the source. This is the source. Database developers will be there. Okay, this one maintaining by the database developers. If it is a Oracle database developers, they are maintaining it. SQL, like Python developer, if it is a Python developers will they will create the tables, they will add the data, they will look about the transformation, everything. What we have to do, we have to get the data from them, that the source. We have to get the source, and we have to create the dashboards. How we have a dashboard here, we have to create the dashboards. Okay, again we have a two parts here for the development and administration. We have a jobs on the both side for the development and administration. Administration is like nothing much work will be there. Like once designing is completed, we have to move into the from the development to QA. Okay, QA to production, the movement and security they will take care. There are only few tasks will be there. QMC, I will explain about the QMC as well. So administration also few jobs will be there, but mostly the development work we have to look into. Development, just getting the data from the source and work on it, the transform the data. See, this is the way we have to transform. This is, don't worry about looking this. We are not writing anything. Just we are loading the data. We are loading the data. Few functions we have to use. One to start date like this from distinct means, like we are avoiding the duplicates. Okay. The renaming of the fields and the month date formats we are changing it. These are the like easily we can grab it. Okay, easily we can understand the, by looking only you can understand. Okay, these are the functions like this. For the data transformation, we need few functions and few commands. 10 commands and 20 functions will be there that we have to use to convert the data into the required formats. These are the tables, like different tables will be there. Automatically it will join. Okay, we need not to work on the joins. Based on the common fields, automatically QlikView itself it will form the join. What we have to do in the scripting part here, only we have to understand how data is flowing. Okay, if we don't want anything, how to restrict the data, what is the conditions I have to use, how to like one format to other format, how to change it. These are the functions we have to explore. Front end, anyway anybody can design the components we have to use, and the functions mostly similar to the Excel. Some average, like whatever the numerator denominator we are following in the Excel, same way we have to calculate the values here. So this is the developer role. We have once we have to development is done, we can deploy into the development. The admin team, sometimes we will select for the admin as well. Next step will be the admin. Admin will take the dashboard and he will take care of the security for whom they have to give the access. Okay, what is the scheduling time to refresh the dashboard, scheduling and security, the deployment, everything, the servers. Okay, that part administration will take care. That's about the developer role, developer and administration role. Okay, that's it. And few people asked about the yesterday, like how much we should know about the knowledge on the source. Source is a like mostly if you know the SQL commands. Okay, just we have to select the data from the source. That's it. We need not to do anything here. Table generation, okay, data transformation, data flowing from the database, everything will take care by the admin team. Sorry, database team. Database developers will be there. For all the teams, reporting tools have a data source. Database developers also will be there. Database developers will do the most of the data transformation. Okay, just we have to fetch the data from the source. You need not to require anything here, but we know the like at least how we have to get the data. We know just 10% of the SQL. If you know, that's enough. Even if you don't know also, no problem. Okay, 3-4 classes I will take for the SQL. I will tell you how to select the data from the SQL source. We will create few reports by the SQL also. SQL will connect and will prepare the dashboard, and the Microsoft Access data source also we have. Will create the reports. Okay, and then once we create the dashboard, we have to check the whatever the values we are getting. Suppose for the like India country and for the city Bangalore, what is the like quantity sold or amount sold, how much it is, we are getting some value. Before moving to the production, we have to test it either these values are correct or not. That is why in SQL we have to type like just select the amount sold or quantity sold from where select so and so table. We have to give the condition where the country is equal to India, city is equal to like Bangalore, where conditions and if conditions only required from the SQL. That's it. Select command only we required just to test it. Our values are matching with the data source or not before deploying it. That must only 10% of the SQL is more than enough. Okay, if you don't know, need not to worry. We will explain about the select commands in the SQL. Select commands and where the to restrict the whatever the filters we applied in the QlikView, same filters we have to apply in the SQL also in the where condition. That's it. That much is enough, more than enough for our reporting tool. Okay, that is one question I got from yesterday. Okay, any other doubts?
Yeah, hi Upendra.
Yeah.
Upendra, if suppose I joined in any MNC for this tool,
Yeah.
what about the background verification? How to deal with it?
See, background verification. See, once you get the job,
Okay.
you have to pay some amount for the like other institute, like institute in the sense they are maintaining of the practically they have a physically have a some companies they will provide you the certificates.
Okay. What
Yeah.
about the PF? Everything. Suppose if I joined in a Infosys, they will do very badly. In that case, how to deal with it?
See, P of everything, they will give the form 16 bank statements. Okay, everything they will give. See, some most of the time like contract to hire if you are going. Okay, so many like if we will not have a PF. You can say we don't have a PF also. Previously I worked on the contract to hire, I don't have a PF, so need not to no, need not to worry, they will create the new PF, new PF account.
Okay.
Yeah. Till now no one is came back with the background verification. Yeah,
No,
almost
no.
all.
I'm just
No,
asking.
no, I'm just telling, I'm giving the confidence to you with the whoever selected from the my institute. Okay,
Okay.
if you know anyone running the playships or bank statement from the outside, okay, you can take from them also. Okay, otherwise we will provide the like experience certificates.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
need not to worry about this one. See, most of the people going like this only. Need not to worry about it. We are not doing any gambling here. Okay, just we are taking the experience certificates from this one physically existing company until we are learning the course, and with the same subject we are going to work on it. That's it. Only for the TCS permanent payroll, no one is supporting it, except that for the remaining all companies we are supporting. From whom we are taking the certificate, they are supporting for all the companies. For TCS also, if through third party payroll they will support. Okay, direct payroll only they are not supporting for the only TCS.
Okay. Upendra, can you name some third-party companies? What are the service companies?
I will post in the group.
Yeah,
Okay.
it would be good. Yeah.
Yeah. See, third party companies I will post in the group. 100% they will give the bank statement, places, whatever you need. Okay. If you know someone else, third parties who are running all these documents, okay, you can take it from them also. There is no like 100%. 100% you have to take from the our supporting guys only. You can take from the outside also. No problem for that.
No,
Do we
no.
have to
I'm
pay any additional for that?
Sorry.
Do we have to pay any additional for that for to
Ye-
taking the experience and that?
Yes, yes, yeah. For experience certificates, you have to pay additionally. Okay, that you have to speak with them.
No, I'm not asking regarding the documents or
Mm-hmm.
else certificates. I'm asking what are the third-party companies which provide service to the MNCs?
That yeah, third party names I will post in the group.
Yeah.
Okay, supporting companies you are asking. Suppose if you
Yes,
take
yes,
from the third party, what are the companies they are supporting, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, except TCS, remaining all companies they are supporting.
Okay.
Yeah, except TCS, the remaining all companies they will support.
What will be the course duration, Upendra?
Yeah, it will be like 40 classes. Each class will be the 40 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, on weekly it will be on an average 5 days it will be there. So
Okay.
it will complete in the 2 months.
Okay. So the interview process and everything will be taken care by the institute only, right?
Yeah, you will be there. Either me or my team will support you.
Okay.
Good in the weekday from morning 11 to night. Anytime you can come here, you can take the help from the my team.
Hello,
Yeah,
Upendra. I
yeah,
have one generic doubt. In general, how many days the companies will give to do these reports?
yeah. See, one of the advantage in the reporting tool, any minimum reporting like simple dashboard, if you have to design only single sheet, minimum it will be there 1 week. Okay,
Okay,
like maximum there are like 1 month time reporting also there. 1 month time you will have like weekly once they will have a review. Okay, if they need any changes they will suggest. Like 1 month reports also there for the one sheet I am telling. Like that, if it is a complex dashboard, the project will go for the 1 year also. Like that
okay,
1 year dashboard have a like 10 to 11 sheets. If you like consider as a one sheet for 1 month, it will go for the 1 year.
okay,
Yeah, minimum 1 week required. Nobody will expect you immediately. Okay, that is the main advantage of the QlikView. Okay, see, if you work on the like some data source or supporting anything, immediately we have to resolve the issue. We have to fix that one in the data source. But in the reporting side, it will be not like that. If they give any requirement, at least you can ask them for the 1 week time.
yes,
Yeah,
After getting a job, if we have any queries on role, if you're doing on a project or anything, if you have any queries or if we want any help from you, will you help for that? If we are doing any project.
yeah. So
I
see how how it is working, and now almost work from home only there. So you can come to the my institute and you can take the our help. Okay, suppose if they call you for the office, if you go there, see now almost 50 people there in this group. Okay, okay, assume that like at least 30 to 40 people will be there. If you get any doubt, you post in the group post. In your team, in group itself, someone will resolve that issue. In the previous batches also I am checking same. If someone will get the now, not only after getting job, it practices from the today. If you get any doubt, post in the group. Whoever already faced that issue, they will help you. Okay, if they are okay, if nobody is helping, definitely my team also will be there in the group. My team or me will help you. You not to worry about that one.
Hello. Hi, Upendra.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Hello. If we clear the interview, shall we pay full amount or half amount?
The amount one you discuss with the Harika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Upendra,
In group we have posted for the see subjected related issues. You can reach out to me anytime in the WhatsApp. Okay, for the fee and course whatever there, you can reach out to the Harika. On the class related, any like a material or resumes or recordings whatever, for that you can reach out to the Sandhya. That email we have posted in the group with the phone numbers.
Upendra, training will be one to many, right?
Yeah,
If suppose I missed any one of the classes or two to three classes,
yeah,
in that case,
if you miss the class, we'll have it. We are maintaining the drive with the recordings. If you miss one or two classes, then immediately that recording will be there in the drive. Okay, you will have access. You can go through that one. Same whatever we discussed here, same thing will be there in the drive. Okay, this is the right time. Take the right decision. Okay, because next to max 4 to 5 months only it will be there work from home. Okay, that's why just get it job as soon as possible if you are wanna come to the IT. Okay.
Upendra, when the batch is going to start? Because today only I have joined in this group.
Okay. See, yeah, yesterday and today is the demo session just. Okay. From tomorrow, actual class it will start morning 9 a.m. Morning 9 a.m. Okay. If sometimes like yeah, my 9 a.m. is fixed timings. If any changes, we will update in the group. Sometimes suppose same time some interview there for the other batch guys. So sometimes it will be changed. That will update in the group. But if you don't have any change, morning 9 a.m. is the fixed time. Weekdays, weekends time might be it will change. Okay. Sometimes it class will cancel. Okay, if you are full busy with the interviews. So on an average, we'll connect for the 5 days. On weekly 5 days, morning 9 a.m. is the fixed time.
So there is no time changes for this session. If I'm not because I have an office and from morning 9 o'clock. So can I? Is it possible to listen this in the evening session?
Evening
If
we
any
don't
other
have a session. Evening we don't have a session. But through mobile also you can attend this one. Okay. If you like see weekends anyway it will be time will be the time will change weekends. In weekdays 9 a.m. On weekdays also like weekends classes will be there. Weekdays assume like 3 days will be there. In 5 weekdays 3 classes will be there. On weekends assume. Okay, in 3 classes at least you attend 1 or 2. Okay, if whatever 1 or 2 if you miss that you go through the drive. In drive it will be there.
So the classes will be available. Whatever the session is going on, everything will be available on the drive, right?
Yeah,
Every day.
everyday session immediately after completion of the class it will be there in the drive.
Okay. So we can cover it in the weekends as well if you're not attending in the week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not only weekends, the same day, like whenever you have a free time, you go through that. You have to practice it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what, because as I said, you in the morning hours I have an office. So
Yeah,
if
yeah.
possible, what I
Evening
will
time
do,
you can cover.
yeah, I'll cover that session in the evening time.
Mm.
And if I have any queries, I'll contact you on the weekend times, because I will be available in weekend.
Yes, yeah. Okay. Any other doubts?
Yeah, please share the course details and the prices and everything, the duration and the amount of the course, so that it's.
Yeah, duration will be the 40 into 40, 40 hours and 40 classes. Okay. Amount, please speak with the Harika. Okay. Harika will be there to speak. We already shared the contacts. Harika and Sandhya will be there to help you. Speak with the Harika about regarding the fee structure. Okay.
Upendra, for experience certificates, how much they will take?
Okay, see, whoever giving to the my institute, they are charging for. See, initially how it goes in the outside, I'm telling, they will charge a minimum 3 to 5,000 for initially for registration. They will give the company name. They will give the company name. With that company name, you will search the job. Once getting the job, you have to pay like 18 or 20,000. Apart from the registration fee, you have to pay 18 or 20,000. But because now through my institute we are referring, we will give the name directly without registration. Okay, you can search the job with that the help of that name. Once you get the job, you have to pay the 25,000. Okay, these are they are doing this one from the 19 years. We know, that's why we are taking from with them. I am referring. Okay, if okay, some people we are they giving for the 20,000 also outside. If you know well-known people, if they are doing from the like more than 10 years, you can grow with them also, no problem. Okay, if any background verification not clear, I am not the responsible for that. If you take from the outside, if you take from it from the our institute, in case it is background verification failed, Okay, immediately in 1 month again we will get into you for the new job without charging anything. But till now no one is dropped from the background verification. Okay, I know, that's why I'm referring it. Okay,
Okay.
if you want, we can take you can take from the outside also, but I'm not the responsible for that.
Okay, Upendra. Thank you.
Yeah. See, whoever decided, please ping your mail IDs in the group so that they will add into the drive. You will have access to the drive. You can access the recordings and the materials also. Okay, whoever decided, ping the mail IDs in the group. Whoever not yet decided, okay, take your time. Okay, next 3 more classes also allow without paying amount. Okay, just listen 3 more classes and decide it. But whoever decided, please ping the mail IDs. You will have access for the drive. Okay. Tomorrow we'll connect at the 9 a.m. Actual class will start tomorrow morning 9 a.m. And daily we have a class. If any of your friends are looking, please refer them. Next for 3 more classes also, let them listen. After that, let them decide it.
Sure, Upendra.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the session.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.